OB.
Hey guys, you guys are gonna get a second video from Old Blind Sunny. This video is going to be about how blind people use a computer. All right. First, before we get started, I do want to say this. All right, to all my YouTube community and everybody else that is real, I do want to say that yes, a week ago, yesterday, I had the shingles. I'm now over the shingles, but I'm gonna do a little witnessing. I'm gonna do a little bit of 30-second ministering to let you guys know when Jesus speaks, you guys need to listen. Okay, listen closely. No matter what you're going through. Okay, no matter what storm you're going through. Everybody goes through storms in life. Okay, everybody goes through storms in life. First, I want to say about me. I'm totally blind. Been blind since birth. Everybody thought I wasn't going to make it when I was born. I had lung development issues. I was born
New
premature.
notification from Windows Security.
All right, shush. Windows security. Anyway, I was born premature. I was born with lung development issues. I was back and forth, in and out, upside down, left and right of the hospital. 1981 when I was 2, I had to go back in because of lung issues. So everybody thought I wasn't going to make it. I was born in an incubator. So that's my first part. Secondly, the Lord's been with me my whole life, okay? And I'm just saying, when He speaks, you need to listen. I don't care what storm you're going through. I don't care what addictions you have. I don't care what drug addictions you have. I don't care what addictions you have. Jesus is going to speak to you, and you need to listen. I don't care how high you are, how addicted you are. I don't care. He's spoken to me plenty of times. I'm going to be restarting my story time on Wednesdays again, so you guys be getting more story times. And yes, uh, it's gonna be sprinkling some ministry in there because I do like to witness and minister to my YouTube crew, and we're gonna grow this channel. But I will say this: when Jesus speaks, you need to listen. And last week, I work from home with customer service. And I work from home at this very computer every week, every day when I'm not doing nothing. When something comes up, life comes up, things get in the way, gotta go to the store, gotta eat, gotta do whatever, normal daily stuff, and can't be helped. So sometimes you don't work. So I had shingles a week ago. I was hurting so bad. And just to remind you, if you guys never had shingles, you don't want shingles. Okay, they hurt. They give you welts. They make you itch. So I'm hurting so bad. You know, no, I didn't bawl and squall and cry, but I was in pain. So I'm laying there in my storm of my life. I don't care. Just what I'm saying. I will say this: in the storm of my life, everybody goes through storms. I'm not talking about big, bad, severe thunderstorms. I'm talking about mental storms, life storms. Jesus is right there with you. Okay? Alright. You're on drugs. Jesus is there with you. You just need to take time to listen to him and say, hey, what am I doing? That's a storm in your life. So I'm going through a storm in my life. I'm hurting real bad. And I happen to say, Lord, where are you? Right then, right at that exact moment, his voice told me, you'll be okay by September 1st. Now, I didn't say, Lord, give me a time of day when I want to be okay. It was just, Lord, where are you? I'm hurting too bad. Where are you? I thought this was going to be instant. Sometimes God does things instantly, and sometimes He has an appointed date and time. He said to me, you'll be okay September 1st. Well, I didn't think nothing of, all right, I'll be good. I didn't think about that. Our mom checked my back because My girlfriend's visually impaired, and she could see. Her mom could see more than she can. So she looked at my back. She says, "Well, you look okay. You're out of isolation." Right then, I didn't say nothing to her mom, or because everybody, if you talk about the Lord and Jesus to people that don't really know Jesus, that maybe have heard talk of him and heard of him but never knew him, they're gonna think you're weird. And they're like, no, 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 no. But I know, and I know what I know, and heard what I heard, and yeah. So when I heard that, I was like, when she said I was okay, I knew right then in the back of my mind, that's confirmation. Right there, that was the Lord telling. That was exactly what the Lord was telling me. So, guys, let's get into this computer video, shall we? So, right now, I'm using NVDA. NVDA is a totally free screen reader. You could find it at nvaccess.org. I will post the link in the description of the video. All right. Also, I use JAWS. I want to go over some things I have about JAWS, and it's not bad. It's not bad thing. I recommend JAWS if you can afford it, but here's why people need to go over, like blind people go to their voc rehab, and I'm not talking about like a drug rehab. I'm talking about voc rehab for jobs, such as my case when I got Sears, because JAWS is really, really expensive. It could cost you anywhere from upwards of $995 all the way to up to $2,000, because each upgrade is $350 for an upgrade. For every update you get with JAWS, you're paying out the crap for it, right? So they have a thing at Freedom Scientific where you can get JAWS for $95 a year, and all the upgrades you ever needed every month, every time they come out with a new update. But we're going to start with the NVDA. NVDA, again, is a totally free screen reader, and this is how blind people use computers.
Start window.
I'm going to open up a Word doc. Okay. Now, for you sighted people, you're just gonna type in. You're gonna go
unsaved file.
You're gonna go to your search bar.
8s HTT.
I don't need that right now. I wanted to. Fine, I'll save it. Whatever. All right.
Unknown.
All right.
OBS.
So
OBS
I'm gonna go ahead and open up a Word document.
Start window. Word.
There we go. I'm gonna open this up.
Document one word.
Here we go.
Microsoft Word document. Edit multi-line page 1 section 1 blank.
I am in a Microsoft Word document. I'm a clean slate. I'm not gonna save this because this is just like demo purpose for video. You guys won't be able to see the screen because I don't know how to set up my camera for that, but it's okay. You guys will be able to hear it anyway. So I am going to just type something. I'm going to type anything, and I'm going to show you all things you can do. So I'm going to type, this is a video on how blind use a computer with screen tech. I've been blind. Whoops. B-I-R-T-H and was born premature. I also work from home.
E-O-H.
Now, I can go to the top.
Line feed.
I can go to the top with Control Home.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with spelling error screen reader technology.
Okay.
I've been blind since birth and was spelling error born premature.
Okay, well, this is, I'm going to go ahead and fix this.
Spelling error screen reader.
All right.
R-E-E-N-R.
Space.
I've been blind since W birth
Alright,
and was
since
work. Birth. W.
I'm going to take out that W.
Space. Birth. And was. Spelling error Braun.
Born.
Spelling error. R. O.
I'm going to take out
R.
that R.
Out of spelling N. O. B. O. N.
R.
R. O. R. N. Space. I've been blind since birth and was born premature. I also work from home.
Now, any one of these sentences, I can, so for instance, I can go up here.
This is
control.
A video on how blind
So, I can go here.
Is a video.
I can read by word with control right arrow.
On. A. Computer. T. R. Space.
Alright.
W. I. T. H. Space. E. E. N. Space. R. E. R. Space. T. L. O. W. Dot.
Now, I can take this sentence. I can go up here.
This is a video on how blind.
Okay. I can select that sentence.
This is a video on how blind people use.
I can just go ahead and I can select the sentence and I can delete it.
Font dialog font color.
Whoops. Hold
Document 1 word. Page 1 section 1. This is a video on.
Alright, so I can go ahead and select this.
This is a video on how blind people use a
I can go control delete.
Is.
Boom, look at this.
I've been blind. Is a video on how. Is a video on how.
Look at this is gone. Now, if I wanted to, I can go control Z.
Undo.
See, boom.
This is a video on how.
I can also select all.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader
I
technology.
can go
I've been
control shift delete.
This is a. I've been blind. This is.
Alright, hold on. I don't know how to. Let me see. Select all.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology. Is.
See, again.
Is a video.
I can undo it.
Undo.
With control Z. I can go ahead and go to this top line.
This is.
I'm going to go select all.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology.
Now, all this stuff is
I've
highlighted.
been blind since birth and was born premature. I also work from home.
I can
Selected.
go. I can go. I could go.
This is a video on how.
All right, so I'm gonna try it again.
This is a video on how blind people. This is a video on.
So I could just go shift delete.
D. 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 D.
Boom.
Line feed. D.
See, it's gone.
Line feed. Line feed.
All right, boom.
Blank. Blank.
Boom.
Blank.
Instantly, it's gone. Now I could undo it. Control Z.
Blank. Blank.
Yeah, it's
Blank.
instantly gone. So I could do lots of things now. I can go ahead. I'm gonna type this again. This is a video on how blind use a. Oops.
C.
With screen tech. I've been,
B. Space.
been blind since birth.
B.
And was born premature. I also work from home as a customer service
C. I. V. R. E. S.
agent. I've been with Live Ops for 3 years. I also used to work at Sears as an outbound appointment.
P A space T
Home and advisor. Now we're just going to elaborate on this a little bit. I'll show you some copy and paste. I can, with sentences, and we're just going to. This. I'm not going to save this. Let's see. I also do SHG for expense and Medicare agents as well. Okay, so we just kind of made this a little bit longer. I'm gonna go up to the top with Control Home.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader.
What? I'm doing. Oh God. Just a minute. All right.
This blind people S space U space
Take out the space.
space. I've been blind.
All right.
This is
So we've elaborated on this. We're gonna go Control Home.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology.
Okay. Now, you can go. You can read this sentence line by line.
I've been blind since birth and was born spelling error mature.
Oh God.
Been birth and was born and spell E R out of spelling error E R.
Put a P in there.
I've been blind since birth and was born spelling error premature. Spelling error P M A E P.
Take the P out. We're gonna go
R P R E M A T R U.
Oh. Premature.
E
Take the U.
R T R E
Wait.
T E. Out of spelling error.
E-U-R.
Out of spelling error.
All right. Now we're gonna read this again.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology. I've been blind since birth and was born spelling error premature.
Premature. Okay. Well, that's okay. It's
Line feed. I. Re. E. Been. I've. Line feed. Birth. Spelling error. R. P. R. E, M. A. T. E. U. R.
premature. All right. Well, it's
T. A. M. E. R. P. Out of spelling error. Space. Spelling error. P. R. E. M.
Let me take out put a space in there and see what happens with that.
I've been blind since birth and was born pre-spelling error mature.
Oh, okay. No, it's got to have
Spelling error. T. A. M. Out. E. Space.
Take out the space.
Spelling
Yeah, it's just
error.
gonna have to learn to like it.
I also work from home as a spelling error QSOder serve.
Gus odor. Okay, that's not
Dot.
right.
Agent. As. S. Spelling error Q. S. O. T. E.
M.
R. Out of spelling error. S. E. I also work from home as a spelling error QSOTMR service.
What?
Service. 8. Out of spelling error. A.
Now, guys, you can do that. You can do spell check.
Toolbar. Proofing window. Pane. QSOTMR. CUSOTME. I also work from. I read original sentence but suggestions grouping. Customer. Similar to.
Yeah, we're gonna
Live
get
ops.
that.
Read original suggestions group. Other actions grouping. Ignore once button I. Call center. CAL. Suggestions. Other actions group. An outbound. ANOUTBOUND. Read original suggestions grouping.
Okay.
An outbound. No ref. Medicare. MEDI. Read suggest. Medicate. Medicar. Other actions grouping. Premature. PREMATEUR. Spelling. Not in dictionary.
Oh.
Read original suggestions grouping. Premature. Similar to. Early. Untimely.
Okay.
Microsoft Word dialog
There.
spelling and grammar check is complete.
All right. So all you got to do is hit F7 for spelling and grammar check. Now let's read this again. Come on.
Document one
All right,
word.
here we go.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology. I've been blind since birth and was born premature. I also work from home as a customer service agent. I've been with LiveOps for 32 years.
32 years, no.
Line feed. Dot. Agent. Live. 4. 32.
How about
2.
delete that out? There
Space.
we go.
I've been with spelling error LiveOps for 3 years.
All right.
I also use work at Sears. Spelling error call center. A. C. I also use work at call.
Used to work.
Use. E. Space.
To. There we go.
I also spelling error used to. Spelling error. S. E. T.
Space.
Out of spelling error. T. Space. I also used to work at Sears call center as an outbound appointment home improvement advisor.
Yep.
I also do appointment setting for final expense and Medicare agents as well.
So, now, we're going to open up a notepad here.
Start. Notepad.
All right.
Untitled notepad.
So what we're going to do, we can open up notepad.
Document
We can
1.
go over here. We can take any one of these sentences here.
This is a
Let's take this. Let's go ahead and select it.
video.
Copy it. Let's go over here to
Untitled
notepad. Boom. Paste it. The quickest way to use your keyboard. Copy. Control-C. V. Control-Paste. Here's what we have.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer.
See, I can even go like this too. Let's
Document one word.
Now,
Microsoft Word
let's go back
document
over
edit.
here to our
Star
notepad.
untitled notepad.
Let's
Blank.
delete that. There we go.
Blank.
All right. So if I wanted to, I could select this whole entire paragraph here.
Document one word. Page 1 sec.
Select
This is
all.
a video on how blind.
Copy.
Star
Boom.
untitled.
Paste it with notepad.
V. This is a video on V.
Delete that V out of there.
This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology. V.
Come on, delete that.
V. Blank. V. Blank.
All right. Let's do this.
This blank. This is a video on how blind people use a computer with screen reader technology. Blank. This is a video
All right,
on.
Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and.
Blank.
All right.
Blank.
We're done. Now let's go.
Document
Try this
one
again.
word. Page 1 section.
Actually, you got to go to the end.
I also do appointment setting for final expense. I also do.
All right. So I'm gonna go up here.
This is a video on how blind people use a
Select
This is
all.
a video on how blind.
I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna go back to my
Untitled
notepad.
notepad.
Boom. Paste it right there. Now.
I also blank. I also used to work at Sears call center as an outbound appointment home improvement advisor.
See, it's doing it.
I also used. I've been with. This is a video on how blind.
So see, it's just in my notepad. Now we're just gonna go Shift D. Boom. It's gone.
I've been. D. This is a video on. D. This is. D. This.
I'm gonna
T.
take out
D.
the D.
T.
All right.
This. I've been. This is a.
So we're just gonna go
Is.
Control D.
Read.
All right.
Work.
There's got to be a way you can just do it instantly, and I don't remember what it is right now. offhand,
Blank.
But
Blank.
all right. So that's out of my notepad.
Document one.
Now, I've done tons of videos, audio game videos. You guys seen it. I've done it. And so, we're going to go up here.
Page 1
We're
sec.
going to select
This is
all,
a video
and we're just
is.
going to just delete it. Or, no.
Left. I. Is a video on how blind people
Well,
use a
we're gonna
computer.
undo it. We're going to go here.
This is.
We're going to select all.
This is a video
And
on
we're
how
just gonna
blind
go-
people use a computer.
Shift D. Boom. It's instantly gone.
Line feed.
Instant. Boom.
D.
Take
Line
that D
feed.
out of there now.
Blank.
It's good. It's gone
Blank.
instantly. All you do is you do Shift D. So, guys, I am not going to save this. I am not about to save this. So I am
Dialogue.
just...
More cancel. File name edit select. More options.
What? I'll get in the shower right now. Hold on.
Choose save as type, file name edit selected doc1.
I'm not going to save it. So, yeah. I am not going to save this. This is just
Microsoft
something.
Word doc.
No.
Dialog. Save your, choose a, more opt, save button all. Don't save,
There we go.
document.
So guys, that is a video on how blind people use a computer for the sighted people. Alright? Hope you guys enjoyed it. And take care. This will be going up on YouTube. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will be doing videos. I will be trying to get up another cooking video on my cooking playlist. I got lots of video playlists up there. You guys can check it out. So be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit all the buttons and do all the things you're supposed to do to help me grow this channel. Thanks, guys. Happy Labor Day.